Hey there, everybody. Today is March 10th. Happy Mario Day. Um, yeah, the bathroom project got a little spicy. Um, it's always good to account for things that may be outside of your vision or ability to measure. But it got a little hairy. We got to do a little bit of additional work that we weren't accounting for, so I do apologize for the amount of time that it has been since I have uploaded anything. But exciting news, spring is on the mind, just not a reality on the ground yet. But I figured this was a good time to talk a little bit about setting some expectations for spring shipping, because it's kind of getting right around the corner, huh? So, to those of you who have placed orders, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have so much gratitude for it. Thank you for participating in all of this. I can't wait to ship you plants. But again, they are under 2-ish feet of snow in some places. So as we get closer, it's probably going to be looking closer to April before we start being able to dig up everything and start splitting out again where the ground is workable and we won't damage the plants or expose them to too much negative influence and pressure to keep them safe during their journey to you. So there will be a link in the description of this video showing you guys to our website, and I have not updated all of the inventory levels yet. We are still operating on what we had allocated from last fall. So there is a potential that at some point closer to April I will pop on here and be like, hey guys, we've updated shipping numbers. There are additional pieces of plant material for propagation that you can avail yourselves of. But till then, yeah, my floor in my bathroom is no longer rotting. The tub I thought was 5 feet is really 4.5 feet, so no wonder I really didn't fit in it. But the ducks are going to have a brand new bathtub. We have some framing timbers left over, so we won't have to go too crazy constructing a setup to run piping and things. And once the ground is workable and we are able to really get into the swing of constructing the next iteration of the duck yard, you can be sure that we'll be shooting video, possibly just taking moments in between steps to film it, share it with you guys, get some feedback, and share some of the experiences that we're having while doing the project itself. But yeah, till then, thanks for watching. If you have, thanks for ordering. If you haven't, thanks for thinking about it. Till next time, happy planting.